Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And the first update that needs to be done comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what's played out here. So this will mean a little bit more to those that have watched the past videos I've done. But I did talk about that as the level of support. And now with the price down below it, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's exactly what's happened. Sure, the price hasn't hit it exactly, but it's definitely gotten within the range of it right there. And then earlier today, got within the range of it and was rejected back down. So in the shorter term, any sort of attempted, bounces back to the upside, that first key hurdle that the bulls are very clearly going to need to break through is right there at $6.90. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, current level right now where the bulls are finding some, good solid buyers, which does make sense right here around $6.60. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see this level here was a level of former area of resistance, and then, resistance here. And then again, the inverse rule is true. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly, what's been occurring here, including the final portion today. That level has indeed been acting as support. So that'll be the level that you want to see hold strong. In the event the price cannot hold above 660 as support, then I should probably map out the next overall level of support. And that would be down here at, let's see, the $6.30 mark. So keeping an eye on these couple areas. All in all, though, big picture perspective, and I just want to end on this. Overall, sure, there's been kind of a pullback in sideways price action recently, but if you're somebody that cares about the grand scheme of things, as long as the price keeps on doing this over the long haul, meaning building higher bases, and you picture these as stair steps, then yeah, the overall chart is going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.